What is up, guys? Today we are playing Driving Empire once again, and we're customizing all of our cars. Now, I already have a lot of our cars customized, so this won't be that long of a video. Okay. Go to my most recent car that I've done. I've done all my McLaren, with the body, all the. This one I've done. This one I've done that. I've done that. I've done this one. I've done this one. Yeah, I've done a lot. Okay. Where did I leave off? I think I left off on the Alpinino. Yeah, okay. Wait. No! Okay. So, okay, I did that one. I don't want to do that one. Let's do this one. Red. White. Wait. Black. Black with white interior. Who is you? Okay. What is that? Wait a minute. Wait. The legendary Nesmo RS, bro. The legendary Juke. The legendary Juke Nesmo RS, bro. I've seen a lot of these in real life, and they all have one thing in common. They look ugly. And there's a... Was that supposed to look intimidating? And they... No, I want to go back. They also are always 25 green. That was cool. The white looks a lot better. Look. That looks better, bro. Okay, let's never go back to the car again. That's only Driving Empire. Never make a car like this again. Okay. Free. Oh, that's it, Firebird. Oh. Okay, that's bad. Black. Yeah. It's a Miata! It's a Miata, guys! Dude, it's a Miata. Okay, this is... I love it. It's a Miata. Okay. Alright, you guys are gonna see this car in every video now. Okay. The 1989 Nissan 240 SX. 500. No response. Yellow, red, white. Okay. Black. Okay, that looks good. Red stitches. Nice. On the auto, but okay. There needs to be more Miata in this game. The Toyota GTS. Looks good in white. Black. Okay, black. Okay, done. Nice! We love it. We love the legendary speed. Okay. I don't think we Okay, let's do this. Okay. Let's go. Wait. Wrong button. Okay. Okay. It's a Miata! Botanic. Miata. Botanic. Miata. Video. Okay, nice. GTA? What? GTA? GTA Trans? Frontier! Anyways. Yeah, it does look different. Look at that! D14. Delightful. Let's D14 stand for delightful. Get it. It's a white on that. It's a white on that. I said it's a white on that. I'll stop. Okay. Let's fine where this car goes. The Nissan Altima. Appearance. Red. Okay, done. Also red, done. Easy. Skirt. Skirt. I'm a legend fan. Okay, red. Nice. Getting the girls back for best. I don't think. Dude, this car looks like if it was a child trying to read another child's mind, like, look like. Okay. Well, okay, the last car. Last car. Falcon Gray. I wonder what that is. Okay. Interior. Okay, guys, we are done. We are done customizing all my cars. I customized the rest of them. So I gotta test the Miata. That's fine. The Miata. Oh, we love it. I love it. It's a Miata. I love it. We love it. We love everything about it. It's a Miata, guys. What? God loves about it. There's another Miata. I was a man. Oh, here comes a I'm kidding. on. Luego vinyota. Okay.